Hello there, guys and gals. Good evening to each every one of you. Just got finished watching The Uninvited, starring Vilma Santos, Aga Mulak, Nadine Lustre, Mylene Dizon, Kirsten Cruz III, Ketchup Eusebio, Chola Barreto, RK Bagatsing, among few to mention. But before I'm gonna give you my reviews for this one, I just wanna thank the Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Caborda, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to each every one of you, sorry. And to all my what's this? Silent subscribers, and to all my 13 lovely countries. Hi. Philippines, of course, United States, South Korea, Mexico, India, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Russia, Italy, United Kingdom, Brazil, Canada, and Germany. Guys, let's ask some moviegoers what they say about this movie, okay? Hold on. There they are. They are just, I don't know. Hi, good evening, madam. Just wanna ask, what can you say about the movie?
It's really good. I'm waiting. Sana may part 2.
Yeah, I think so.
There's more questions needs to answer.
Yes. Please stay here, madam. Don't be shy. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
It's okay.
And then?
Yeah, it's a great movie. I watched it because one of my friends is a graphic designer sa
see.
promotion team. So, yeah, it's really good. Natuwa ako sa acting
Is it
nila.
meet expectations?
Yeah. Like, parang trigger warning though sa mga scenes. It's really deep.
How about the face-off? Do you think it's really enough?
Oh, sa ang scene nila. I mean, yeah.
But
yeah.
don't tell who are those characters.
Yeah. It's really good. Parang na-build naman intensity and all that. Yeah.
How about you, madam? Would you like to say something about the movie?
Ikaw pa siguro sa revenge na lang yan.
By the way, sorry, I'm Hendrik Zay, and you are?
My name is Gana.
Hi. And then you are, madam?
Ira.
Ira, yeah. So please do your honor.
Ako pa siguro sa revenge na scene, parang satisfying yung nangyari. Pero yung satisfying, pero at the same time, parang medyo nabitin ko siguro.
Yes,
It's the,
From scale from 1 to 10, 10 is the highest.
for me, siguro, like, in all, like, general, siguro nasa 8.
8. There's a missing 2
Yeah.
points. And how about you, madam?
Siguro pang mga 7.5.
Oh gosh. So
Pero
you're still expecting for more,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Same here.
Yeah. Yes. And I hope may part 2 nga.
Yes,
So,
there
answer
is.
all of those
Yes.
questions and all that.
So how about the director? How do you think he handled the movie?
It's good. With all of the artists na involved, ng mga big names, it's really good. May mga questions lang talaga.
Yes.
Which is, I think, might be answered sa part 2 if ever there will be.
Among those stars, who do you think stand out on their performances?
Of course, Vilma for me. Yeah, Vilma. Always been a fan of her.
And for the supporting actors, who do you think?
I think Nadine gave a good job there.
No, Nadine is one of the main stars.
Right.
It's okay.
Probably RK.
Yeah.
Or RK was a good
RK.
job.
How about you, madam? Who do you think stand out?
Sa mga
Sa major.
Sa major. Siguro po yung portrayal ni Aga Mulak.
Yeah.
Maganda po yung
And to the supporting cast?
supporting po siguro yung sila, yung couple si Elijah and
Isa.
si Gabi.
And how about the story? How do you find it? Is it unpredictable or predictable?
For me, like knowing those mga themes na yan, pero for me, medyo predictable.
Yes.
For me, yeah.
And how about you, madam?
Yes po, predictable, pero yung paano niya
Execute.
yung
Yes.
revenge is
And how they establish.
Opo.
Yeah. Would you like to say something or to give message to the whole team if there will be a next? Would you like to give some suggestions just in case they gonna watch this video?
I mean, I guess,
Just give it a try.
I think the suspense build up, the music of it, parang I think it will be a big factor
Yeah.
for the build up. Parang it was
And I think
lacking
they
for
should
me.
not prolong the
Yeah,
talkies,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
They, you know what? I want some more intensity,
Yeah,
more mouse and cat chase on.
that one.
And how about you, Weda? Would you like to give some message to them just in case?
For if ever may party.
Yes. Any suggestions for them?
Siguro po mas unpredictable na plot twist.
Yes,
Yun
yeah.
siguro.
So, as far as I'm feeling right now, you are fond of watching scary movies or some intense.
Ganyan,
Yeah.
Mga thriller, mga revenge.
Reg. Just let's to have some question. Do you watch other scary movies? Let's say foreign. What's your favorite scary movie?
What was that? I forgot yung si Maya Hawke and it's like, ano siya sa Netflix siya? Sila Maya
Netflix.
Hawke, yeah, sila Maya Hawke and Camilla something.
Okay.
Yeah, basta siya.
Have you seen the old movie of Vilma, the Tagos ng Dugo?
I don't know.
Okay.
Is it
And then how about you, madam?
Ano po, actually hindi po ako mahilig sa scary
You're not into. Oh.
Siguro more on mga psychological thriller.
Psychological thriller. Do you know the Gone Girl or?
Yes, yes.
I really love Gone Girl. Yeah. Madam, nice talking with you. I feel like to ask you more, but I know you are in a hurry to have your rest in your lovely house and whatever you're gonna do for this night. But anyway, madam, please watch for this episode this coming days to come. Hendrix ZA. Please don't forget. HENDRX space ZA.
Sa YouTube.
YouTube, yeah. But once again, I'm Hendrix ZA. Thank you for giving me your time to be part of my history. And then who knows, someday we're gonna make another movie. Make our own movie. Guys and gals, meet my two special guests for tonight. You are Gana and from where you are? Mandaluyong. Okay. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye for now, guys. Thank you so much. I shout out to your family and friends.
Shout out to my 5 cats.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye po.